Hello everybody, this is Dr. Aaron Seaton with the Chiropractic Place. Today's video is about one of my favorite posters that we have in this office. I love this poster because it really explains very simply why the need for chiropractic care on a regular basis. Right? So what can we do when our eyes wear out? When our eyes start to have trouble, we go to the optometrist. Right? They can take a look at our eyes and possibly recommend that we get glasses. There's other things you can do as your eyes wear out, possibly LASIK and other procedures to help maintain those eyes and keep them working. When your ears wear out, you can get a hearing aid. You can have your hearing checked. What about when your teeth wear out? Well, you can get dentures, you can get artificial teeth, but your dentist would tell you probably, I would rather you prevent as much dental damage as you can. Brush, floss, get your regular dental cleanings, right? Every good dentist is going to tell you that I want you to prevent as much of this as possible because the replacement for your teeth is less than optimal. It's not as good as the original. What can you do when your hair falls out? You can get a wig. When your hips wear out, you can get a hip replacement, right? When your knees wear out, they can do a knee replacement. But what are you going to do when your spine wears out? And this is a good question, because spinal surgeries, by and large, aren't that successful when compared to other orthopedic procedures, like a hip replacement. They're just not as successful. The long-term outcomes of those, there's lots of people who tend to have the same amount of pain, possibly more pain down the road. And it can also lead to more wear and tear in your spine. So this is a very good question to ask people. What are you going to do when your spine wears out? Well, this is why we always recommend with our patients regular chiropractic care. Just like a good dentist wants you to be under regular dental care, they want you to brush your teeth, they want you to floss, and they want to see you at least every 6 months to make sure you are maintaining your dental health and preventing big problems. Well, any good chiropractor who's talking to their patients about this is going to tell you the same thing with respect to your spine. That you need regular maintenance of your spine. Don't wait till you're in your 50s and 60s and you have all this damage, but let's start taking care of this now. And even if you are in your 50s and 60s and have never been under care, start now and do it on a regular, consistent basis. The vast majority of our patients who do this and listen to those directions have very different outcomes than their friends, their family that aren't utilizing chiropractic care. That's something I hear at least once a week in this office is, Doc, I've been telling my friends to come to you for years. I don't know why they won't come in. They have all these different problems, and I've been telling them, I've been going to you for years. I don't have all that. I can function better than they can. I can lift things that they can't. That's something I hear consistently. And the common denominator for those patients is that they come in on a regular basis and they maintain their spinal health. Hopefully this helps you understand why chiropractic care is so necessary and so important for you to function as you age. I'm Dr. Aaron Seaton with the Chiropractic Place.